Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram IP ban. An IP ban means Instagram block your internet network, not just your account. This happens when Instagram sees too many actions, bot activity, multiple accounts on one network. First, stop everything. Do not like, post, follow or unfollow or comment, even DM. Wait for 24 hours to 72 hours. This is the most important step. IP ban are tied to Wi-Fi. Try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data, then open Instagram again. If you work on mobile data, your IP address of Wi-Fi is banned. Restart your internet router, unplug it, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and plug it back in. This gives you a new IP address. Broadcast IP ban. For that, tap on your profile, tap on three dots, then find app and website permissions and remove any followers, app or automation tools. Never use bot again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.